Hey guys, back to another video, and today I will be showing you my 3 slimes. But first smash that like button and subscribe. And comment down below what I should do next. Or if I should do something fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my slimes. I'll be back. Okay, so I got my 3 slimes. Okay. Okay, so the first one you touch is this one. It's very tiny. It's a blurb slime. Noise putty. I don't know if you could see it. It's kind of blurry. But yeah, oh my goodness. It's actually kind of really sticky. Here it is. Here's the slime. Ooh, right? Like, it's so gross. But let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so we got this one. The next one is this one. It's like a blue one. It has sparkles, but usually sometimes there's a light blue somewhere. Like this. I don't know. Oh my gosh, okay. Listen. Okay, listen to the sound. Oh, this one's not as good. Okay. That one's a little sticky, not really, but yeah, so this is this one. I like it because it's really big, kind of. It's kind of big, so that's why I like it. But I really like this one. Okay, guys, I have an idea. Since it's not as big, I could probably make a swirl. Dang it. That one wasn't as good. Let's redo. There. Okay, so that is that slime. Hope y'all liked it. Let's move. The next one is, drum roll, it's the big one. And I'm pretty sure no, this one I think. Yeah. Okay, so there's the part. So just listen. But yeah, I like this one. It's pretty kind of glossy. Okay, let's get a soft one. Okay, so I got that one out. Okay, so let's try and do a swirl with this one. This one's a lot bigger than the other one. It's gonna be a lot harder. Oh my god, I almost stuck to my shirt. Okay. Oh my god. Might actually kind of work. I don't know. Okay. Swirl. Dang it. That was kind of a fail. But that's all good. That's all right. Okay, so let's return. And swirl. Yeah. It's good enough. So I really like this slime because it's big. It makes big bubbles because it's big. Okay, let's try and make a big bubble. We have to make this thick. Oh my god. Let's try and make a big bubble. So I really like this slime, kind of. Yeah, I really like this slime, you know, it rips. But you know what, I'm gonna do something. It rips a lot, right? You know? And I know why. Because hair, isn't it, I guess? I don't know. But I'm gonna fix it with hot water. So if y'all know what hot water does, comment down below before I even do it. So, yeah, comment down below what y'all, if y'all know what hot water does. So this will take a minute, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the hot water, and this is how much I put. I didn't want to put a lot because it's a lot of slime and it would have overflown like a volcano. So we're going to try out a little piece. This is little, not huge. Okay, this is the before. So this is the before. Rippy and but yeah, here's the swirl. Before like that. That's the swirl. And then see. Here's the stretchiness. It is kind of stretchy. And then here's the regular stretch. Yeah, it just ripped. Okay, so you'll see what it does if y'all are paying attention. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the after. Oh no, it doesn't make sense. It better. Stretchier. Let me know in the comments down below. Comment below. What do you think it did? I know what it did, because I'm the one I wanted to do it. Oh my goodness, I made it way too much of it. But, okay. So this is the before. Okay, this is the before. Reveal on it. Alright. And then this is the after. Let me know in the comments down below which one y'all like more. Okay, since I already did this slime, I think I should do another one. But, let's do another one. Oh, I kind of put it in there too much. So you don't want to keep it in there too long. But yeah, I'm watching a movie, and y'all are probably wondering what it is. I'm watching The Wizard of Oz. But I wanted to make a video because I'm just with my sister and she's in her room. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this in a little bit. I'm just gonna put the whole thing out. It's getting way too much. See, look, it already overflowed all the way up here, and then plus my hands go in and then come out. Yeah. Ugh. I would let this sit for a while, but I don't want to. Because I don't want it to be too stretchy. Slime fails. Okay, I'm gonna take it out now. If I can. Ugh. I don't want it sticking. So gross. So gooey right now. Ugh, so liquidy. Maybe if I kind of play with it. Piano, 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 un, dos, tres, cuatro. I love this one. Oh my god, but it's really sticky now. Let's dump this out. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Actually, I'm just kidding. Why would I leave so early? Just kidding. Hope you like this video. Oh yeah, I forgot. Shout outs there. You get slime. You get slime. We all get slime. You get slime. You get slime. And you get slime. We all get slime. No, but seriously, I wish we could. But I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.